The two drivers for our strategic direction are the Bilingual Champions Agreement and also the college's Welsh language scheme. And along with the Welsh Government's Welsh Medium Education strategy as well. And the direction that we're taking is that we're starting by encouraging students to add some Welsh units to their current curriculum, because nearly all of our provision at the moment is delivered through the medium of English. We have tried to run Welsh medium courses, full-time Welsh medium courses, and in last academic year we ran a level 2 care course through the medium of Welsh. But this year we haven't been successful in getting such a course off the ground. So we have to start in small steps. So what we've done is that we're using a range of Iaith ar Waith customer care units specific to the individual vocational areas. And what we've also done is that we decided which areas we're going to prioritise, and we're going to prioritise them in two phases. First phase, the focus is on care, health and social care and catering, and then going forward we're moving into business and leisure and tourism. So that's the strategic focus. But what we're also doing, but this is very often based on what's happening locally within your area rather than it necessarily being strategic. Because what we've had for a number of years is Welsh medium motor vehicle provision for learners from two local Welsh medium schools. But we're a happy accident, because we have a member of staff a motor vehicle lecturer who is bilingual, and we have a very supportive school in Caerphilly, Ysgol Gyfun Cymru, who want to work with us in relation to that. And when you've got the combination of those two elements, it means that it takes it forward. But in terms of having a strategic focus on that, it's more difficult, because our relationship with all of the Welsh medium schools in the area is not as positive as that particular one.